In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio volume in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to add your audio, set a clean overall level, and create a smooth fade so your sound grows naturally as your video plays. First, let's set up a place for your audio. On the timeline, click the small hamburger icon in the upper left. Hover over Track Operations, then choose Add Audio Track. This creates a dedicated lane for your music or background sound so it stays organized and separate from your video. Now bring in your audio file. At the top, click Open File and select the music or background audio you want to use. Once it loads, drag that clip down into the new audio track you just created at the bottom of the timeline. If you want the audio to start right away, drop it at the very beginning. You'll see the waveform appear, which helps you visualize volume changes as you edit. With the clip selected, go to the Filters panel, click the plus button, then search for and add the gain/volume filter. This filter controls how loud or quiet your audio is overall. Use the level slider to adjust. If it starts sounding harsh or distorted, pull the level back a bit. As you make changes, watch your audio meters. Keeping peaks below 0 decibels helps prevent clipping and keeps things clear. To create a gradual increase in volume as the video plays, you'll add keyframes to the level control. In the Gain Volume filter, locate the level setting and click the keyframe icon to the right. This turns on animation for that control and sets your starting point. Move the playhead to the spot where you want the audio to be louder, then raise the level there. Shotcut automatically creates another keyframe, and the volume will smoothly ramp from the first point to the second. This is perfect for a gentle fade in that starts quietly and builds as your visuals get going. Play it back to check your transition. If the rise feels too fast or too slow, adjust the timing by moving the playhead and changing the level again at a different spot. Small tweaks go a long way. Aim for clear, balanced audio that complements your video without overpowering it. That's all you need to adjust audio volume and create a simple animated fade in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.